this number. This is 999. As you know, this is a 3-digit number. Already you have done in class 2. Kids, if we add 1 to this number, we get 1000. That this number is called 1000. 1000. So 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Till class 2 you have learned about hundreds. So now we are going to introduce this new term. This is called 1000. Okay. So Indian place value chart, it always start from the right hand side. Where comes ones, tens, 100, and after this 100 comes 1000, and after 1000 comes 10,000. That you will learn later on. Today we will talk about this term 1000. So 1000 comes when we have 4-digit number like this 1000. Now place value of different digits in 4-digit number. 4-digit numbers, they start from 1000. After 1000 comes 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004 and so on. It goes up to 9999. In your previous homework, I told you people to write counting from 1000 to 9999. I hope you have written that. Now see, some numbers are there who are 4-digit numbers. How to check out the place value of each and every digit in this number? So see over here, this number, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000. This number is called 8346. The place value of 6 here is 6 ones, or you can say only 6. The place value of 4. The place value of 4 here is 4 tens, or simply you can say 4040. Now comes the place value of the next digit. The next digit is 3. The place value of this 3 is 100. Place value of 3 is 300, or simply you can say 300. Now comes the next one. Next digit is 8. The place value of this 8 is 8000, or simply you can say 8123. So in 1000 comes 3 zeros and this number is 8000. So you can check out here. The place value of 6 is ones. Place value of 4, 40 or 4 tens you can say. Next place value of 3, it's 300, or you can say 300. Then place value of the last digit, it is 8000, or you can write in numbers 8000. Clear? Now comes expanded form. If any 4-digit number is given to you and you have to write that number in expanded form. Expanded form means you have to expand that number. You have to open that number. So see over here, some examples are written over here. The first number is 3268. We have to expand this number. How we can do that? This is ones, tens, 100, 1000. 3000 plus 200 plus 6 tens plus 8 ones. This is how you can expand a number, or you can write in numeral form also. How's that? 3000 means 3000 plus 200 means 200, 6 tens means 60 and 8 ones means 8. Both are correct. You can write either in this way or in that way. Now let us expand more numbers. The next number is 1024. This is 1000. You are going to write it 1000 plus, it's 0 written over 100 place, so you write only 0, plus 2 tens means 20 and plus 4. Clear? See the next number, one more example. 4000 plus 500 plus 9090 and 8. This is how you can write a 4-digit number in expanded form. Take one more number. This is 7364. Let's write this number in expanded form. Again, you can write the place value for your convenience. If you want to write, this will make your work easy. So, the place value of this 7 is 1000. That means you have to write 7000 plus place value of 3 is 100. That is 300. Plus place value of 6 is tens. That means 6 tens or 60. And plus the last number, last digit is 4. 4 ones, or you can write simply 4. Clear? Now this is expanded form. The opposite of this expanded form is short form. That means expanded form is given and you have to compact that number. You have to short form that number. And again, it's very easy to write that. How you can do that? You can write over here ones, tens, 100, 1000. Place value you can write over here. Now see over here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So at the 1000 place, what digit is there? 2. So at the 1000 place, you write over 2. Ones, tens, 100. What is written at the 100 place? 7. So here also at the 100 place, you will put 7. Ones and tens. At tens place, what is given? 5. So write over here tens place 5. And ones, you have written 4. So your number, your short form of this expanded form is 2754. Clear? One more example over here. 9870 and 0. Again, write down the place values over here. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. This ones, tens, 100, 1000. What is given at the 1000 place? 9. So at the 1000 place, write over 9. Ones, tens, 100. What is given at the 100 place? 8. So write over here 8. Ones, tens. What is given at the tens place? 7. So at the tens place you are going to write 7. Ones. What is given at the ones place? Yeah, you are right, 0. So what you are going to write over here? 0. So your number is in short form, it is 9870. Clear? Now comes number name. Or you can write in words. You can say to write a number in words. How we can do that? A number is given over here, 5934. You have to write its number name, or you have to write in words. Again, it's very simple. Always you first try to write down the place value of the particular digit. And we know we start from the right hand side. So place value of 4 is 0. Sorry, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. And this will make your work very easy. How? See over here. How many thousands are there? 5. So write over here 5000. How many hundreds are there? Yeah, 9. So how you'll write? 900 and what is left over here? 34 and 34. So what is the number name of this number? It's 5934. Clear? Take one more example. How we can do that? The next number is given over here. One more number is given over here and you have to write its number name. Or you can say you have to write in words. See over here. Again, we are going to write the place value first of all. We will start from the right hand side. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now the work is very easy. How many thousands are there? 8. So we are going to write 8000. How many hundreds are there? 6. So 600 and 2 0 we together take, and this is 20. So it's very easy. 8620. And numeral form is just opposite of this number name. And here number name is given over here, and you have to write down the correct numeral. Again, it's very easy, kids. It's not a difficult task. It's very easy. Again, we are going to write down the place value first of all. Ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. Now see, you have to read it carefully. How many thousands are given over here? How many thousands? 1000. 1000. So in place of 1000, we are going to write 1. Now the next one. How many hundreds are given over here? How many hundreds? 400. So in place of 100, we are going to write 4. And 21. So in place of tens and ones will come 2 and 1, 21. So this is so simple. Your numeral form answer is 1421. See one more example. One more in words number name is given over here, and you have to write the numeral form. It's 6013. Again, we are going to write down the place value first of all. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now see, how many thousands are there? 6000. How many thousand? 6000. So in place of 1000, we are going to write 6. Now see, kids, is there any 100 over here? No, 100 is missing. It's not there. So in place of 100, we are going to put 0 because there is no 100 over here. And 13. 13 will come in the last 2-digit number, that is tens and ones. So this number is 6013. 100 is not written over here. It's missing. So it's only 6013. Now comes predecessor and successor. This term you have already done in class 2. Once again we are going to do. Predecessor of a number is you can find by subtracting 1 from that number. Successor of a particular number you can find out by adding 1 to that number. See more examples over here. Now if you have to find out the predecessor of this number is 4321. You have to find the predecessor of this number. What we are going to do? We will subtract 1 from this number. 4321 minus 1. And this number is 4320. So the predecessor of this number 4021 is 4320. Correct? See one more example. You have to find the predecessor of 1569. Again, what we are going to do, we will subtract 1 from this number and we will get the predecessor of this particular number. So see, 1569. We are going to subtract 1 from this number. What we get? 1568. So predecessor of this number, particular number 1569 is 1568. So what is basically this predecessor? This is the number that comes just before that particular number. Now comes successor. Successor means you have to move ahead. You have to go ahead. That means you have to find out the next number. To find out the next number, what we have to go? We have to add 1. See, again this particular number 4321, we have to find out its successor. So what we are going to do? We will add 1 to this number. Successor of 4321 is 4321 plus 1. And what we get? 4322. So the successor of this number 4321 is 4322. See one more example. One more number is given over here, 1569, and you have to find its successor. So what we are going to do? We are going to add 1. Correct. 1569 plus 1. And what we are going to get? 1570. So what is the successor of this number? 1570. So kids, if you have to find out the predecessor, you have to subtract 1. If you have to find out the successor, you have to add 1. Now comes comparing of numbers. Compare when we compare two numbers, what we have to take care. First, we have to count the number of digits. The very first step is to count the number of digits. The number with more digits is the larger number, and the number that is having less digits is the smaller one. So take out that first one. 1, 2, 3. We have to compare these two numbers. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 3-digit number. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4-digit number. So kids, it's very obvious that 3-digit number, it is smaller than 4-digit number. Okay. Now, if the number of digits are same, what we are going to do? See one more example, like this one. Two numbers are given over here, this number and that number, and you have to compare these two numbers. So again, we are going to do the first step. What is the first step? Count the number of digits. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, this is 4-digit number. It's a tie. Both are 4-digit number. Now what we are going to do? We are going to compare the each and every digit from the left hand side. Okay. So let's do it. First digit is 4. Here it is 6. So which one is smaller? This 4. This is 6. 4 is smaller than 6. That means this number is smaller than that number. Take one more example. This number and that number. You have to compare. Which one is smaller? Which one is bigger? First step, count the number of digits. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, this is 4-digit number. Again, both the digits are same in both the numbers. So the next step is to compare the number particular digit from the left hand side. Let's do it. The first digit is here 1. Here 1. Both are same. Both are equal. Let's move to the next digit. What is this? 3. Here it is 7. We know 3 is less than 7. That means this number is smaller than that number. Take one more. Compare these two digits. 3924, 3920. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4-digit number. Compare the first digit. It is 3. It is 3. Both are equal. It is 9. It is 9. Both are equal. It is 2. It is 2. Both are equal. What is left? This is 4 and this is 0. So which is smaller? Obvious. 0. So this number is smaller than that number. See one more example. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4-digit number. Let's compare the digits. It is 4. It is 4. Both are equal. Let's move to the next digit. This is 5 and this is 3. We know 5 is bigger than 3. That means this number is bigger than that number. I hope all these topics are clear to everyone. Thank you so much.